Okay, y'all, so just a quick update. I had this hair for officially 2 months. This is at Miink Brazilian Kendra boutique hair. I love the hair, especially since, you know, I go to the gym, whatever. I can tell you I washed it twice, put heat to it once only. And the only reason, like the first time I washed it, like this heat protector, they say it's no oil and stuff. Do not use it because this had me looking like Slick Rick. It was so like greasy and stringy. I also will say, because it's a finer hair, I don't recommend the BL's frontal. Like, you know, this hair, especially like leaving the gym, you can see it like wave up. So this is not, you know, like this hair is really straight for real. You wet it, it's straight, whatever. This is like, it turned into a body wave. So I have been having to put heat to this. Again, I had it for 2 months. I love both of the hairs, the Kendra and the Miink. I will say, just my preference, I love the Miink better because the Miink Brazilian, because I'm a little rough. So I can go to the gym, I could do whatever, and I don't comb my hair daily. So with that type of hair, with this type of hair, it stays, you know, in place or whatever. The Kendra, you know, is finer. I feel like you have to, you know, be more dainty, more maintenance requirements. But I can also say, like, very minimal shedding. Like I use this brush right here. You probably see like one hair, and that might be from the frontal. But like, I love this hair, really good. I don't, you know, do the melting thing. What has my hair like staying in place? And again, it's been 2 months. I use the this right here because I feel like even when you bleach your knots, you still see knots. So this gives the fake scalp look. I would go into details of how I look, but you know, it's been 2 months, so look a little rough. And then I also just use this to got hair on it. Oops. This right here, just to, you know, like push it down or whatever. So yeah, that's it. That's it. You, like, for this hair, do not put any products on it. It's good just the way it is. Like, and this is after being washed. And like I said, you hardly even have to put heat to it. Just wrap it up or put a bonnet on it, and it's good to go. So yeah, that's the hair. I love it. It's been 2 months. It's, you know, I don't want to take it out, but I got to because my scalp, it stinks. So I got some more hair too. See? Yeah, love the hair. And again, get a different frontal or closure. One that's, I'm gonna try a Miink Brazilian one or a Kendra boutique one, because like I said, this hair, it doesn't like match this hair. This is a better definition hair, and this is something that you're gonna have to like I have to flat iron this to make it blend in with this, because it's not, the quality isn't like the hair at the bottom. That's it.